These 8 yoga poses are all you need to ease lower back pain. What actually hurts when we have lower back pain? The lumbar vertebrae are the largest when compared to the rest of your spine and help support your upper and lower body, allow you to twist and move your torso, and protect your spinal cord. What causes lower back pain? When your muscles are weak, the simplest actions can cause lower back pain: picking up your child, carrying something heavy, or twisting the wrong way in the car. These yoga poses help relax tight muscles, strengthen weak muscles, and ease lower back pain. 8 poses to relieve lower back pain. Marjaryasana, Vittalasana, Cat-Cow pose. Cat-Cow is a great way to stretch your hips, chest, and back during your warm-up. As you inhale, lift your sitting bones and chest toward the ceiling, allowing your belly to sink toward the floor. Adho Mukha Savasana, Downward Facing Dog pose. If there is one yoga pose that most everyone knows, it's probably Downward Facing Dog pose. Glance back at your feet to make sure they are hip-width apart and parallel. Finally, let your head hang freely so there is no tension in the neck and gently gaze toward your feet. Balasana, Child's Pose. Child's pose is not only a resting or calming pose, but it also provides a great stretch for your back and hips. Exhale and lay your torso down between your thighs. Uttanasana, Standing Forward Bend. This may seem like a very basic pose, but don't be fooled. Standing forward bend stretches and releases your hamstrings, calves, and hips, strengthens your quadriceps, and relieves stress. If possible, with your knees straight, bring your palms or fingertips to the floor slightly in front of or beside your feet, or bring your palms to the backs of your ankles. Malasana, Garland Pose. Garland pose stretches just about everything around your lower back, quadriceps, groin, hips, and torso, as well as strengthens your ankles. Sphinx pose. This gentle back bend is great for beginners or as a warm-up at the beginning of your practice to stretch your chest, shoulders, and abdomen while strengthening your back. Very subtly, no sucking in, hardening, or rigidity, draw your lower belly away from the floor to support and distribute the curvature of your back bend more evenly along the length of the spine, soothing your lower back. Apanasana, Wind Relieving or Knees to Chest pose. The primary benefit of knees to chest pose is that it stretches and relaxes your lower back, which can reduce lower back pain. Stay here for as long as you'd like, then release back to the fully reclined position. Suptamatsindrasana, Supine Spinal Twist. Twisting can irritate your lower back, so if you feel any pain in this one, skip it. Bend your knees and inhale as you lift your feet off the floor, bringing your knees directly over your hips to create a right angle with your legs.